Hello. Today we are going to solve the question number 24 of IIT JAM Mathematics 2019. Here we are given an equation of a circle oriented counterclockwise. Then the value of the line integral will be integration over c minus 4 by 3 xy cube dx plus x to the power 4 dy. And we need to find the value of the line integral and basically the value of this integral among these options. So let's try to solve this problem. The given equation is x minus 1 whole square plus y square equals to 1. Now we convert it into a parametric equation. Okay, therefore x is equals to cos t plus 1 and y is equals to sin t. Now consider this transformation xy to okay, t, we get dx equals to minus sin t dt and dy is equals to cos t dt. Now the integral value, that is integration over c minus 4 by 3 xy cube dx plus x to the power 4 dy becomes 0 to 2 pi, as the range of t is 0 to 2 pi, is minus 4/3. The value of x is 1 plus cos t. The value of y is sin t, therefore we get sin cube t, and then we get minus sin t dt the place of dx, and the next integral will be 0 to 2 pi 1 plus cos t whole to the power 4 cos t dt. The value of t is 0 to 2 pi because x and y, they uh, they can take any value, positive or negative. Therefore it is pretty much obvious that the value of t will be any value of degrees, that is 0 to 2 pi, that means 0 to 360 degree. Okay, now now we have to deduce the integration. Therefore firstly we get 4 by 3 0 to 2 pi sine to the power 4t. Here we get 1 plus cos t dt plus 0 to 2 pi. If we write this in the formula of binomial formula, then we get cos t plus cos to the power 5t plus 4 cos cube t, and then we get 2 cos cube t and 4 cos to the power 4t, and lastly we get 4 cos square t dt. Okay, now here we have to recall some of our formulas to evaluate this portion. We know that integration 0 to 2 pi sine to the power n t dt is equals to 0 if n is odd. Secondly, integration 0 to 2 pi cos to the power nt dt, it is also 0 when n is an odd integer. Thirdly, integration 0 to 2 pi sine to the power mt cos to the power nt dt is equals to 0 when m is any positive integer and n is also an positive odd integer. Okay, therefore we can write 4/3 integration 0 to 2 pi sine to the power 4t dt plus 4 integration 0 to 2 pi cos to the power 4t dt plus 4 integration 0 to 2 pi cos square t dt. Okay, now we again have to recall another formula, which is integration 0 to 2 pi sine to the power mt dt is equals to integration 0 to 2 pi cos to the power mt dt. Okay, then from this line we get 4/3 integration 0 to 2 pi sine to the power 4t dt plus 4 integration 0 to 2 pi sine to the power 4t dt. As we can see by this formula, we can write integration 0 to 2 pi sine to the power mt dt is equals to 0 to 2 pi integration cos to the power mt dt plus 4 integration 0 to 2 pi cos square t dt. Okay, therefore 16/3 integration 0 to 2 pi, if we add these two, we get sine to the power 4t dt plus 4 integration 0 to 2 pi cos square t dt. Okay, therefore we get 16/3 multiplied by 4 integration 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 4t dt plus 4 integration 0 to 2 pi 1 plus cos 2t divided by 2 dt. Therefore, it will be 16 multiplied by 4 divided by 3 gamma 5 by 2 gamma 7 by 2 divided by 2 gamma 3, and here we get 4. Okay, t by 2 plus sine 2t by 4 2 pi to 0 0 to 2 pi, and this thing we get from this formula, as we know that integration 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power mt cos to the power nt dt is equals to gamma m plus 1 by 2 multiplied by gamma m plus 1 by 2 divided by 2 into gamma m plus n plus 2 divided by 2. Okay, therefore this thing reduces to 16 by 3 multiplied by 4 and gamma 5 by 2 3 by 2 multiplied by half multiplied by pi, and here we get 2 multiplied by 2, and from this we get pi, therefore it will be 4 pi, and 16 by 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 pi by 16 plus 4 pi, which results in 4 pi plus 4 pi is equals to 8 pi. Therefore our required answer is 8 pi. So B is the correct answer. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.